This is a black American Express card. It has no limit and it basically gets you anywhere, wherever you want to go. And this is my girlfriend. She's gonna get the card and decide what we'll do with it.
I want to eat something.
I'm down. Dinner is always good, yeah. That's
Pasta.
easy. Pasta, all right. Yeah, let's get some pasta. Let me check some restaurants.
But I want Italian pasta.
Yeah, we'll get Italian pasta, babe.
No, but real Italian.
We'll get it real Italian pasta too.
But
Italian restaurant,
Italy.
look at that. In Italy, yeah.
Yeah.
Italy is a little far
Otherwise,
away.
it's not really Italian.
Here, there's a
pasta.
pizza place.
No, let's go to Italy.
Let's go to Italy?
Yeah.
You wanna go to Italy?
Yeah. Well, you gave me the card.
Well, it's hot in Italy now, babe. It's summer. I'm already sweating. We're in Austria.
Don't be f***y.
All right, let's go to Italy.
Cool.
What place exactly? Let's have a
Rome.
look. Rome?
Yeah. But babe, do you remember when
Air
we
quality.
went to the Amalfi Coast 2 years ago? And they didn't have the creamy pasta, and I want the creamy pasta.
I don't want to go to Rome.
But I want to go there. You shouldn't have given me the card then.
Let me look up some flights to fucking Rome.
I don't want to fly. Let's take a train.
I don't want to take a ghetto-ass train. It's probably going to be like a 10-hour train or something, babe.
Spoiler alert, it ended up being a 14-hour train ride, but more about that later.
Guess we're going to take a train to Rome, where it is scorching hot. See you on the train. Made it to Rome. It's hot. It's so hot. It smells like food everywhere, so that's good. Oh, what is this? Holy shit. It's a famous place. It's fucking hot outside.
My toes are still freezing, so I hope they get warm.
All right, so we're here in front of the St. Peter's Plaza. I actually was here one time before in the middle of my third or fourth world tour, and this is exciting. I'm actually really happy that we did this spontaneous trip. My girlfriend is filming right now. And one of the things that I've learned as an entrepreneur is something that one of my mentors told me once. He said, a big disease all entrepreneurs have is they're trying to control everything, and they're trying to be very black and white, very extreme in their thinking. So they either try to plan absolutely everything and keep everything in control, or they don't do it. And things like my girlfriend forcing me to do something spontaneously actually helps me bring in that much needed balance in my life. And on top of that, seeing stuff like that as someone that studied Latin and added Greek and English in university, this is really, really cool. Like, this gets my nerd heart pumping up a little bit. So if you're an entrepreneur looking for a spouse, for a life partner, try to find someone that actually complements you. If you're very extreme in one direction, try to find a person that is extreme, or at least more balancing in the other direction. That will help you with your quality of life. Let's check out some rest of this. All right, so it's like 7:45 a.m. in the morning. We're sneaking away to catch a gym workout sesh. And then ideally, I find a butcher where I can get my breakfast steak. I just love being up in the morning so much. And walking through this like beautiful old town is very, very nice as well. Just before you hit some upper body pull. Found it. Fresh beef is very hard to get by. Apparently they have a lot of smoked and dry aged stuff, but nothing where you can cook steak with. So I got around 800 grams from this fella, which is fantastic. That will that'll last me for about 1 day. 2 days if I eat chicken as a second meal. She's paying. That's why I have no problem giving my girlfriend my card, because number one, she's not someone that likes something just because it's expensive. And number two, even if I try to avoid it, she oftentimes pays, or at least tries paying, which is kind of nice. Because of that, I want to give her everything I got. Let's be honest, I'll let her pay sometimes. We just got like 2 little cappuccinos here. or espressos, so that I let her pay so I can actually pay the bigger stuff so she feels better. And it's just that gesture of her being willing or almost proud to pay some things and kind of stand on her own feet. I've dated many women that all kind of expected the man to pay, and I have no problem paying, but they were too entitled with it. And that was always a huge turnoff for me. That's just my personal opinion. All right, so is this the moment where we finally found a place that has the creamy pasta? Mm-hmm. And it's literally named after the creamy pasta, Alfredo alla ristorante something. So this is it, folks, the moment of truth.
Well, say that this is it, because what if it's not good? Then we have to keep searching.
Yeah.
If it's not perfect.
That shit, and if that happens, then it's like the quest goes on. The quest continues.
But I think we're on it because this has truffle. So, I mean, you can choose truffles. I think
There you go. All right, let's try.
Be on the right path.
Let's see. Here it comes.
For his wife Ines, because once you get a baby, she could.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's try it. Is this the pasta you were looking for?
Still thinking. I mean,
It's not a definite yes, folks. It's not it. I wanted to come here for so long. How did you like it? Nice. Alright, so we're on our way to meet Kevin, one of my good friends and business partners, and his wife, Natalie. So Kevin is Brazilian, and apparently he speaks Italian as well. So we're reserving at a karting track. Girls are staring in disbelief.
Yeah, they have cars for 4 people and we can bring a dog.
Did you just make that up? Was he just like, I don't understand you?
karting.
Karting? And who's gonna win? I won.
For the first time?
Alright, good morning. Just got up and snuck here into the little living area to get some deep work done. I get around 3 hours of deep work done while the girlfriend's still asleep. I'm a huge morning person, she isn't. So even when you're on a vacation, you can absolutely get a lot of stuff done. Super duper exciting stuff that I'm currently working on. We're working on viral templates that have let our clients go viral as automated as possible, as automated as the algorithms allow it. Plus I have an AI automation tool that helps you create scripts completely automated by the AI based on our viral templates that we're feeding into it. Super awesome stuff. Very exciting stuff that's been going on in the background. You can check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below if you want to check it out. We're giving it away for a very low price because we want as many people as possible to profit from this really awesome AI technology that we've been developing together with the best copywriters in the world. Anyways, shameless self-promotion, I know, you can check it in the description. What I really wanted to talk about is get a spouse that supports you as you're grinding really hard. And by supporting, I really just mean getting out of your way. Like, I don't necessarily need my girlfriend to support me actively. As long as she lets me work, as long as she understands that when I'm focused on something, she quote unquote leaves me alone, and as long as she here and there helps me cook my morning steak, I'm very much happy. And I think a lot of men almost rely on their spouse way too much, and they demand quite a lot of active involvement. I'm not a fan of that. If you want a woman to support you, get a woman that gets out of your way. That's basically all you need to do. Anyways, we'll see what the rest of Rome has in store for us. GG. All right, so this is our final day in Rome. Is this the pasta you've been looking for? On a final day in Rome, is this finally the pasta?
This is good, but I also like the other one.
So, did it pay off that we came all the way here?
Mm-hmm.
You heard it from the horse's mouth. After 7 days of me sweating and hating my life. She got the pasta she wanted. I had fun too, I'm not gonna lie. Check out my pasta, very good too.